My name is Alex Heucke, and I'm the manufacturing engineer at National Steel Rule. Today I'm here to show you a quick and easy way to ensure curved rule feeds through your machine without any jams or hang-ups.
Let's get started by removing the coil from the box and cutting the ties. We take great care to make sure the products you buy from National are the highest quality products available. Before loading the coil into your machine, the first thing you want to do is measure the height to make sure it is correct. It is extremely rare a box of rule does not contain what it says on the label, but it is best practice to be 100% certain the height is correct. Some prefer to use a vernier to take this measurement. However, we feel it is best performed with a calibrated micrometer. The second test is even easier. Carefully stand the coil straight up to examine the consistency of the curvature. Take extra care not to damage the teeth during this process, especially if you are standing it up on a hard surface. The rings should be even across the top of the coil. Consistency of diameter is one of the keys to eliminating jams on automatic rule benders and processors. Next, we want to measure the diameter so that we can enter the value into the machine. There is a tolerance of +0, -1/16 based on the cylinder size. A 66-inch die cutter has a diameter of 19 3/16 or 487.5 millimeters. The diameter of the rule should fall between 19 1/8 and 19 3/16. Since this is critical to the length of the part produced on your machine, we recommend this measurement is performed with a calibrated scale, such as the one I'm using. Finally, we want to ensure there is not a burr that can cause the rule to hang up. When we punch the back notch into the rule, a hardened punch passes through as shown. Because the rule has a decarburized skin, you can feel a very slight burr on the side of the rule that was on the bottom during the punching operation. You want to feel for this. It should be difficult to detect since it's usually only 1/1000th if it exists at all. The best tool is to use your finger, or better yet, your fingernail. Just because you feel something does not mean the rule is bad or won't run. If you do feel more than a slight burr, you want to load the coil with the burr side up as shown. It is important to ensure the back edge of the rule is flush to the back of the guide.
Even if the rule is perfect, it is possible not process seamlessly. The most likely cause of processor problems are dull tooling or worn parts, particularly those used to guide the rule into the nozzle. If the rule is not feeding properly, it is a good idea to examine the rule path alignment. By taking the 30 seconds required to perform these inspections, you should experience trouble-free operation of your machine. I'm Alex Heucke from National Steel Rule.